Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to International Opportunity Hub. My name is Akib Shahzad, and today I am here to tell you about the Beiersdorf Internship Program 2022, a Kelly Council Plus Certificate Program. A Beiersdorf is a German multinational company. Beiersdorf Internship 2022 applications are now open for international students. Beiersdorf internship duration is 3 to 6 months. Internship will provide certification as well as travel and accommodation expenses. It making people feel good about their skin mean different things to different people. Details of Beiersdorf Internship 2022. Center is Beiersdorf and the location is check our internship location. You can check it and duration is 3 to 6 months. The deadline is 6 months before the start date you want. When you want to apply, you have to apply at least 6 months before. Benefits of Beiersdorf internship program: your accommodation, your traveling, your career counseling and development talk, your internet communication forum, your workshop and communication events, specific information about job opening in Beiersdorf, eligibility criteria. Applicant must have proficiency certificate of English language. Students belong to any country can apply. Already managed to gather useful information. Student impresses with a strong personality and taken as independent action as well as honesty and purpose. How to apply? You will need to upload the following documents: your CV, your final transcript of internship, record certificate or picture. Your uploaded documents should not be exceeded 5 MB. And you will need to do an online test for 1 hour. The candidate for the best selection will be invited for the interview. So let's have a look on the official website. So this is the official website of Beiersdorf. So you can check here all the application process. So here positions are open. For example, if I'm applying for HR director in Mexico, then go and click on it. You can, before applying, you can check all the eligibility criteria, your role purpose and main accountabilities, and your profile, your knowledge, your skills and experience, your job details. Contract type is unlimited or full time, and job start date is 6/1/2022. Country is Mexico, and company is Beiersdorf Mexico. Job ID is 11516. So you can check it all the eligibility criteria, and which job is fit for you. You can apply in that job. So I'm going to apply on this just to show you how you can apply for this internship program. So guys, for this you have to simply upload your resume here, and after that your additional documents here, and your email address here. You retype email address, your password, your retype password, first name, your last name, your currency, your total desired annual salary, your desired monthly salary, your annual bonus, your notice period, your motivation. You have to write a short essay here. You are referred by, and your preferred language, your nationality. How do you learn about this opportunity? LinkedIn, preferred name, your academic title, your preferred name, your city, your province, your phone number, your country of residence, and make my profile visible to only the team members who are participating in the current recruiting process. After that, click on apply. So guys, in this way you can apply for the Beiersdorf internship program. So friends, if you are new in my channel, please watch my previous video. They will definitely help you in getting international scholarship, internship, exchange program and much more. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.